branch. But what we have to understand is that the design and development phase itself for any new system like this would take finite time, maybe 4 to 5 years. And thereafter, the actual modification and work on the aircraft will start. So it is still some time away, but however, our plans are in progress for having a more or less and completely indigenous upgrade to the Sultan. I think I left my vice chief will be dealing with this answer.
Apart from the big upgrade which the chief talked about, continuously for last I would say 10 years, we have the capability of adding new weapon systems, new sensors, and that has been happening. And in fact, that's the major part. All indigenous weapons, whether it is Astra-Missile, BrahMos, all has been done indigenously without anybody's help. So we have the software as well as HAL's hardware capability. So there is a spiral development as it is happening. And that has given us continuous upgrade to this major fleet of ours, unlike what other countries might face. So that is the main advantage which the country has.
Mr. Manas from PTI.
So how do you see the evolving security scenario in Afghanistan? And do you think, there is any challenge that may come from Afghanistan, the evolving situation, as well as the situation in Indo-Pacific? Do you see any role for Indian Air Force for any stabilization effort for the situation in Indo-Pacific and China's boundaries?
When it comes to the Indo-Pacific, I think there are a lot of lessons to learn, and we continuously monitor what is happening in that region, particularly in terms of use of air power in maritime scenarios and use of multi-domain warfare, that is capabilities that are being exploited in that region. So we continuously monitor it, and we will continue developing our own tactics and our procurement plans based on what we see happening there. With respect to the near neighborhood of Afghanistan, from the Air Force point of view, I really don't see much of a threat.
Mr. Neeraj Rajput.
नीरज राजपूत सर, एबीपी न्यूज़ से सर। अभी देश में नए सीडीएस का अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ है 9 महीने के बाद हुआ है, और उनके पहले मीडिया इंटरेक्शन में ही उन्होंने साफ किया कि जो भी चुनौतियाँ होंगी वो मिलकर हम लोग लड़ेंगे। लेकिन सर पास में हमने देखा है कि वायुसेना का रिजर्वेशन रहा है थिएटर कमांड को लेकर, तो क्या सर ये लंबे समय तक रह सकता है रिजर्वेशन? क्योंकि जैसा आपने कहा कि 35 to 36 स्क्वाड्रन जो है नेक्स्ट टिकट के मिडिल तक होगी, तो तब तक क्या इंतजार करना होगा देश को थिएटर कमांड को लेकर?
नहीं, पहले तो मैं will just make the position clear. We are not opposing any process of integration or any process of having data commands. But we have certain reservations with respect to the structures, and 3 or 4 points which I mentioned in my opening address. कि आप चाहे किसी भी तरह का इंटीग्रेटेड स्ट्रक्चर बनाएं, 3-4 चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए जो हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है। नंबर 1, it should be future ready. When you say future ready, that structure should cater for cyber warfare, space warfare, everything taking place, not just traditional domains of warfare. Number 2, decision making chain should reduce. फिलहाल Air Force में decision making chain is 2 levels, or at best 3 levels. We don't want that with this new structure, decision making chain is now, the number of levels are increasing. तो ये नहीं। We understand that हमारे resources नहीं है कि बंटवारा हो जाए different theaters में, तो उसके लिए भी we can the flexibility of the Air Force to operate from this basis and swing to either side is always there. So we are fully supporting the integration process. It is only the methodology and the kind of structures that need to be future ready is what we insist on.
You are saying 3 decisions. You have counted that. Just that too.
I said future ready. It should be shorter decision making, reduction in the layers of command and control, and more importantly to synergize the core competencies. Each service has a doctrine. The doctrinal aspects of the Air Force in particular is what I am worried about. Should not be compromised in any way by this new structure.
Sangeeta ma'am.
Sangeeta Saxena from Aviation and Chemistry Industry. So my query is that by when do we fill in the deficit we have in the net air fuels?
As of now, we have
Very disturbing.
6 FRA aircraft, for which the RFI has been issued. It may take some time for the entire procurement process to fructify, since we have enhanced the scope to include even used aircraft by the OEM. So we can provide us with a used aircraft modified for private flying. So therefore, since we have increased the scope to include FRA, to used aircraft, they may take some time to do the benchmarking of the price and so on. In the interim, we have got the AON for wet leasing of the FRA aircraft for our training. And working towards that, the RFP should be issued shortly.